Okay, let me show you how to make one of Islanders' favorite dish called Fohkoh. First, you gotta have lots of lemon. Squeeze the juice off of the lemons. Put all your prepared meats in the pot. Make sure they are boiled well. Change the water 3 times. After you put the meats in the pot, slice an onion into 2 pieces and add them in the pot. You must also make sure to add some garlic as well. Keep checking your pot after 3 minutes. And keep stirring in order to make sure all the meats are cooked. Okay, now get some garlic and slice them into pieces. What you are about to see now. The water from the first boiling process is gotta go. Make sure you pour out all the water and replace it with more fresh water. Okay, now if you prefer to make a mild spicy Fohkoh, you gotta cut some spices, but you have to keep in mind, this has to go during the last boiling process. It is important not to mix the spices before the last boiling process.
No, it's not your uncle. He's ugly. He's ugly. I don't want him to be your uncle.
Yup. More onion, the better and tastier.
You know what? Debbie said why your table is dirty. People say your table so dirty.
Okay, now it's time for the last and final process. It's time to cut the meat before the final process. In case you don't know, that's a pork heart right there. Lol. Add some olive oil. And some black pepper. And of course, soy sauce. Even more better, pork blood. Please don't forget to add the blood in the final process. It's important for this to go last. You must keep that in mind. Mix the blood with vinegar. Don't ask why, just do it.